Hi guys, welcome to Easy Peasy Gardening. I'm your gardener friend Ruchi, and today we are going to talk about succulents. So succulents are the favorite house plants these days because they are low maintenance, but we still manage to kill them, mainly because we care too much for them. That's right, we care too much. This is how it goes. Oh, I planted this, it's not growing, let me add some fertilizer to it. 1 week has passed, it is still not growing. Maybe I'm not watering it enough. Okay, pour water on it. It's not looking that good, the leaves are dropping. Maybe I should move it somewhere else. That's how it goes. So we compare the succulent plants with forest plants and feel that succulents need the same care, but they don't, because succulents are native to hot and dry deserts which get really little rain. I mean, maybe in a year they get 6 inches of rain. So they have these thick leaves which hold a lot of water. They can go without water for a few weeks. They can tolerate sun much longer than a forest plant. So think about these conditions when you look at the succulent, and I bet most of the things will fall in place. So the soil for succulents should be well draining. So if you're using a succulent soil mix, that's great. But if you're making your own soil, then you should add a lot of coarse sand to it or a lot of small gravel into it. Maybe 1/3 of compost, 1/3 of garden soil, and 1/3 of coarse sand into it. So let me show you. This is a normal potting soil mix. It has a lot of leaves, a lot of compost, and it has a lot of organic matter in this. And this is the succulent potting soil mix. You can see that there's a lot of gravel, a lot of sand into it in this, and it will drain very well. So that's the difference. If you plant your succulent in this soil and you water it, it will retain water for a long time, and succulents don't like wet roots. Number 2, the sun requirement. So think of the desert. It is hot, it's sunny all the time. So I won't say that your succulent should stay in sun all day long. That you have to see, because some of the succulents like more sun than the other. But as a rule of thumb, 3 to 4 hours of full sun is good for succulent. If they don't get it, they may not like it. So they'll get leggy, and they lose the shine. And also, a sunny spot in summers may not be that sunny in winter. So you have to keep that also into account. So number 3 is water requirement. Now again, think of it. What is the native climate for these succulents? Dry, hot deserts. So they don't get too much of water. So they don't like too much of water. So if the soil feels wet like this, do not water it at all. Just watch your plants and learn from it. If the leaves are looking shriveled, then maybe you need to add some water. If they are dropping leaves, that means you are adding too much of water. So water them very little. So when the soil feels really dry, still hold on for 2-3 more days and then water. Number 4, you have to be patient with succulents. Succulents are not like your annual plants that will grow and bloom and die in 3 to 4 months. That's not what happens with succulents. They grow steadily, very slowly. So they'll take their time. So you have to be patient with them. So now you will say that, okay, I bought a nice planter and it has been growing very well, but now it doesn't look that well. Some of the branches are leggy, some of them have grown too much, some of the leaves are falling off. But that's a normal process. Most of the succulents have very brittle leaves. If they are pushed in the wrong direction, even a little bit, the leaves will fall apart. So keep them away from young kids or from your pets. Then the second thing is that if you see, for example, if you look at this planter and you see that this portion is really looking really beautiful, and here some of the branches are really leggy. So all you need to do is that just cut it from here and stick it somewhere where there is a space, and that's it. It will start growing there, and also it will start to look fuller because this whole floret you have cut from here and put it here. And also whatever leaves are falling off, just put them in a separate planter and they'll start to grow there, and very soon you will have plenty of new plants. So if you take care of these things, I'm sure your succulents will grow great. And so the best thing to make your succulents grow nicely is not to do anything. Yes, don't do anything. Don't fertilize too much, don't water too much, don't move them in and out too much, and they'll be just fine. So I hope this video was useful to you. If you have any questions, leave a comment and I'll try to answer as soon as possible. If you like this video, press the like button and subscribe to our channel, and I'll see you next time. Happy gardening. Bye.